Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So, new video about the market. What I want to say, first of all, we can see that on SP 500, we rejected from this area as I was talking before, but the price found strong support at 6,021, and we can see how it bounced very nicely, and this was during the FOMC meeting when Powell was talking, and we can see on 1 hour time frame how the price was holding this area. So this was already a very bullish sign, a sign that means that the price probably will go higher, and as a result we can see that the price continued going up. And on 1 hour time frame we can see not only this candles with long wick below, but also we can see that RSI was flipping above 50, and then it gave us this momentum. Of course, since this was a really strong resistance level, we have here FAG, we have here this gap that was formed after the bounce from this area 6021. We could see this breakout about this resistance zone, so which is a very bullish sign. I expect that the price will continue going up. So this bearish scenario didn't play out, and the price didn't come to this area, which I was expecting it to come to here to fill this wick, and then to go up. But if you remember my video, I said that this level is also important to break. So right now what we have, if we check for our time frame, first of all, today we have weekly close, today we have Friday, and it will be important to see how the day will close. And so far, let me check all time frames. So far I can see that the price on daily time frame couldn't break about this resistance zone for 1, 2, 3 days, and today the price opened above this resistance zone and the 0.75 Fibonacci zone level, which means that the price will continue going up, and probably today we will see the breakout above this previous high at around 6,134, and probably next week the price either will go directly towards to this area, or after some chop and consolidation will do a breakout and will go higher. As a bearish scenario in this case, if we see the price comes to 6,134, rejects, and returns back below this previous resistance zone, which now should be a support. The price drops below this, it means below 6,080. In this case, most probably the price will come back to this lows. So these are two possibilities right now. But I want also to see weekly. So far looks good. Look at this. Look at this bounce. This is a really strong bullish signal. So which means that February gonna be bullish, and next month we will also already see these targets on SP 500. And then we're gonna see, because as I said before, I still don't like that. I still don't like that on monthly time frame the price is a bit too far from this EMAs. So I would think that either we're gonna have like very bullish February, and then March March will be a month where we should be a bit again cautious, you know, because we may still see something like this. Like, yeah, I would be like, I would just say that if we will have a February bullish, which means for crypto it will be also bullish, and there is also seasonality. February used to be always like a bullish month, and then probably on March I would suggest to sell most of your assets and stay in cash, or just sell some amount and see what the market will do, because I still don't like that the price on high time frame too far from EMAs. So for now, this is it about SP500. Let me check probably weeks. Let's check weeks. What did we have here? So I will turn off EMAs. We can see that the price, yeah, bounced from the 0.75 a Fibonacci level from this 4-hour FVG and rejected from 0.618. It didn't go to this area, which I was expecting, and we had this 4-hour super bearish close. You can see this long wick that it left above. So currently, of course, this whole situation looks very bearish, and it looks like the price will just break through the support zone that it had previously. It will just break maybe some small retest and will just come to this area, and this is the area where I would be like cautious. First interest zone for me 11.89 on weeks, and then 10.7. Usually whenever the price was coming to these areas, it was giving us a significant bounce. And of course, the last area where I would pay extra attention is, let's say, $9. $9, like this is when I really suggest just to sell everything, stay in cash, and see what the market will do. Even if it will show like some bullish fake outs in SP500, you know. Anyways, usually this is a big sell signal. So watching 11.89, $10.79 on weeks. Let's check DXY. DXY, as we can see, where did I sort it? Look, I have all these drawings. So as we can see, the DXY bounced from this area. I was expecting it to go a bit lower, but we got what we have right now. Still, this zone will stand as a resistance if we will see the price slowly coming towards to this area and slowly tries to show us a breakout. You can see that the price tries to consolidate, you know, and the tension is smaller and smaller. Usually it means that most probably the price will do a breakout. And look at the EMAs, as the price should hold this 2026 EMAs, you know, and in this case, it may do a breakout and come to this area that we can see here. I will just highlight it like this. I have two levels to watch. Honestly, it is hard to give just one level because it can just do a fake breakout and the price may go down again. So watching this area, only if the price will break through 112, 113, then it means that the price will go to $116. In case this I will delete, this is not valid anymore. In case the price now comes and again rejects, then in this case it will go lower towards to this area. So watching, we will see what will happen. Let's quickly talk about gold. Gold looks nice. We can see that it could break this resistance zone. Now it wants to go higher, so I'm still expecting this first, my price zone interest, than this one. So it is really bullish. Just try to probably long every pullback that it will give. Especially, I think it will really respect 2026 EMAs, and worst case, it will really respect 50 EMAs. Just buy according to this EMAs on daily time frame, or if we go to 4-hour time frame, same 2026 50 EMA is your bullish EMAs. You should pay attention to, where you can buy gold or long gold, and yeah, this will be my first targets, like my main targets for gold. So Ethereum, the only resistance for Ethereum that we can see is this 200 EMA on 4-hour. Once we see that the price finally did a breakout and retested, but could bounce, this is it. It means that Ethereum starts its bullish trend, okay? Because look, we should not see something like this. We should not see that the price breaks and returns back below 200 TMA. Breakout below, rejecting. We should not see something like this. Just go back to the history. We can see something like this. Yes, it is possible. Either it will just fly from here, or it will go up, retest, and then will go up. But it should not return back. Otherwise, we will see again this chop downtrend scenario on Ethereum. So watching, let me go to daily time frame. Daily time frame looks really good. I had this setup here that I gave in Discord, and I gave, of course, when I saw this huge drop, I thought if it will close below 3,000, then this will be like the biggest buy area for Ethereum. But the price didn't come. It could hold above 3K. And right now, if you still didn't buy, I suggest you to buy or to long this area at around 3,300 and around 3,100 area is for buy, definitely. We can see this bullish divergence here. See this here, price goes up. Here on our side, it's equal. So what we're gonna have soon? We take this high, this low. We need to see a daily close above 0.75, and in this case, either with some small pullback towards to this area 0.618, with some pullback, it will go up to this area, or without any retest, the price will just go up like it did here. Look, just always go to the history, check how it was before. Look at this. Look, here was RSI, here was the price. Look how it did a breakout. 42%. Look, same situation. Let's see approximately what if it will give us 42%. 42, 4,320. So we will have the price of 4,320 in February for Ethereum. So if you didn't buy, I suggest you to buy. If you didn't long, I suggest you to long. Just manage your risk management. Look that your liquidation is below 3,000, so you can, if there will be pullback, you can DCA at this area and just hold your long and take profits. Here you can take, I don't know, 30%. Here you can take next 30-40%, and see if the price will close below this 4,000 area. Then you can close the position, and look for another entry to buy, or just keeps at its swing. For swing, let me check. This high, this low. For swing area, I expect this and this areas. Okay. And maybe we'll go higher. I don't know. I need to check. So this is about Ethereum. Here's your buy area, and let's go to, I think, total 3 versus Bitcoin. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Oh, sorry, not Ethereum, but alts versus Bitcoin. So what we have here, as I said, we had this. I was expecting, again, my expectations just a little bit lower to touch the 7.59, but on a daily time frame, it perfectly held 200 TMA, 200 TMA. Yeah, here also looks very good. This bullish divergence on 3D, bullish divergence on 2D, bullish divergence on daily time frame. Like, it all looks really, really good. Now, probably just a little bit of consolidation, and we will have finally a breakout from this resistance area. Let me check. So what do we need? We need to see on 3D a close above 8.72 million. Then we need to see a breakout above this area. And then again, we will come back to this resistance zone. This is still stands as a strong resistance area. So this levels that I'm giving you, whenever the price comes here, we should see how it is reacting. If it's strong, if it shows us like a bullish trend continuation, we can hold our altcoins without any fear. Okay, then we look here what it is doing. If it's rejecting, and tries to go back to like this area, then it will be a sign that, okay, alts versus Bitcoin are still weak, and better to book profits and look for another entries. But once we will see a breakout above 10.64, trust me, it will be a crazy bull run, as we did something here. Yeah, here I would say this. 150% of the move it can give us. Let's say approximately from here we will have 150. So yeah, we can have something similar. Let me check what happened here. March 21 and until May 21. So we could have something similar. So let's say February, March, we will have bullish. April, I don't know. May, I don't know. But probably, uh, yeah, it will be like 7 May and go away. And whole summer we'll have something bearish. But again, it's just my high time frame thoughts. So for now, we are watching these three levels. But once we see the price breaking finally this 200 EMA on weekly, or at least we'll see 3D close about 200 EMA, it will be a crazy run for us. So just a little bit patience, and we'll have really a good run on altcoins. So which means if you still didn't buy, if you're still afraid or still waiting for some crash or something, trust me, this is the time to buy. Especially all my this bullish signs, they just confirmed. We can see that price bounced, it confirmed us that the bullish divergence played out and will play out. Then if we go to Ethereum, it could hold us $3,000. It also showed us bullish divergence on daily time frame. Now we'll go to Bitcoin, and also as I talk about SP 500, I'm expecting it to give finally a breakout and do a new all-time high. So there are a lot of bullish signs rather than bearish. I was telling you even last time, even when I was shorting Bitcoin, which hit stop loss, by the way, even if I was expecting the price drop to one of these levels, I was still bullish. I was still telling you that there are more bullish signs rather than bearish signs. So now let me talk quickly about GBTC. GBTC again broke about this 0.75. Retested this area, some consolidation. I expect it to give a breakout and come to this area still. Like no changes for me. So yeah, we're bullish. February will be very bullish. So please don't have any doubts and buy the dip that we still have, and we'll start booking like big profits probably end of February, March. And now let me talk about USDT dominance. We have here this bearish divergence I was talking about. Let me go just to lower time frame. So this I was writing, I don't remember if I was talking about this in the last video. I'm sorry for my fish brain. So I was writing about this also in Discord, that if the price will break this area, then probably it will come to this area. But we didn't have any breakout. This is not valid anymore. This no, what we have. Sorry. So we rejected. It showed us bearish divergence. It tested 2 times this 4.14. It couldn't break. It showed again bearish rejection. It closed below 200 EMA, which is already a super bearish sign. Then it closed below the 4.05. And I was writing that if you will see that the USDT dominance close below 4.05, this is a very bullish sign for crypto. It means close your shorts, open swing longs, So what we have right now, we have definitely a strong bearish downtrend. We can see how the price is playing on this, rejecting on this EMAs. you can see it came again to 150 MAs on 4 hour. Look at this bearish reaction. This was a support, and this time, and look on the RSI, it is below 50. It retested 50, so which means that we will see a break down below this support area, maybe some retest, and a huge drop towards this area, which in my opinion, if we go to daily time frame, which in my opinion, this time the RSI will come really to this area. The price, not price, sorry, its percentage will drop below 3.81, and we will have finally the move towards this support zone, then this support zone. So it either will be, let's say, 15% of the move or 30% of the move. Okay, so let me do it like this. What do you see? Sorry, what do you see here? We can see it's inverted chart. We can see this, let's say, bullish move, retest of this support areas, which was a level where the bullish trend continued after this candle. See, retest, then the price, sorry, not price, this percentage went up, rejected from this high. We can see this bearish reaction, right? It's bearish reaction. It came, it could hold at this level, of course. Yeah, it had here this FVG on 3D. It couldn't close below it, so it showed us this the bounce, let's say, but if we will, it is inverted, right? So rejected. And what do we have right now? If we just go to weekly time frame and we'll just do like this. Some people who do this pattern trading, they would say this is a cap and this hand of the cap, right? Which means that the price should give breakout from here and go up, you know, or for me, it just looks like a consolidation above this 20-20-60 MAs on a 3D. On a weekly, the price is just consolidating about 20 MA, and soon it should give us a breakout. Like really, really soon. You know what is interesting? That the price will break about this 200 MA on 2 week. May give a crazy run as well. So let's see, maybe there will not be any crazy correction as I expect. Okay, it's just my thoughts. So you can see that we have a bullish structure, right? Sorry, bearish structure. So near support zone here, this area, then this area. So this was about USDT. Now let's go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin. I think I would delete these levels as they are not relevant for now. I think I will just clear this chart. Let me change this high time frame. Yeah, I will just clear this all. And I will do a new chart. So let's have a local picture right now From 4-hour time frame, this is a good area to long, by the way. And if you took long here, just put the stop loss below this low. It's 0.74, super tiny stop loss. And we can see first targets as this area, then this area. It's on 4-hour. Okay, and if we go to daily, if you want to know which levels to where to take profit on a swing trade, if you enter from here, then I would take as well this level, then I would take this level. So which means if you buy here or long here and it's successful, I mean, if the price will not drop below again after, for example, the price comes to this area and then again rejects, all goods, then you can have a 20% of the move, clear move from this zone. Okay, but again, every level is a strong resistance level. So of course, if you book the profit here, please move stop loss to break even. Let me check weekly. Weekly is preparing to give a momentum. We can see this RSI, it needs to flip above 70. I was talking about it even in previous videos. You can see when last time it did a breakout, it gave us this crazy run of, my God, 70%. So can we get something like this? Maybe. Maybe, maybe. We will see. But so far, it's crazy, honestly. So far, I can see this picture, and in case the price goes up and rejects again, then your friend is gonna be 20, 26 EMA and 50 EMA. So far, we can see that the price was really respecting this 50 EMA. So let's say the price rejects. First of all, we should also remember that today is the monthly close and tomorrow will be the monthly open, so we may get some volatility. So let's say the price comes and rejects, then probably this will be the area of interest. We also have here daily FEG, and worst case, this will be interest zone for me, and this. So this two, why I took this area, because see, probably 100 EMA will be at this zone while the price will coming down, because EMAs, they move, and we can see how it respected this 100 EMA and it had this crazy bounce. So just play with EMAs like nothing really hard. Yeah, so currently on 4-hour I'm bullish. I will take probably long from here and book profit somewhere here, move stop loss to break even, and we'll wait for the reaction. If we have something like this, similar, like we can see strong sell off, then just respect the EMAs. See, on 4-hour it also can be 100 to 100 EMAs to buy. So I think this was all from my side for today. If you like this video, I would be happy to see your likes and comments, and please share this video with other people. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Just please tag me in Discord or just leave your comments and I will answer. Yeah, so We will see how the market will close today as well, but so far, um, yeah, I can see only strength, especially after this Powell's speech. Like, come on, this was really a strong buy signal. This was really strong buy signal. Like, look how the price was fighting for this level. So yeah, no bearish scenario for now. February gonna be very bullish, like really very bullish. So buy the dip while it's still cheap. And yeah, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.